Online people are able to see my screen? Okay, thank you. Okay, so yesterday we discussed about one issue. What is that? Every outpatient bed is don't require, right? So that's the reason we are removing with the help of concept is record types. Okay. For example, in the inpatient, we are display the bed, but the problem is bed is optional. Bed is optional, but inpatient point of view, bed is mandatory, right? Inpatient point of view, bed is mandatory. If I make bed mandatory, what happened in outpatient also bed is visible, but outpatient bed don't require. Understand the problem? Without bed inpatient is saved, but without bed inpatient is saved means it is a invalid data, right? But I will make it bed in the field level. See how to make mandatory using field level checkbox required, right? We discussed. Where is the bed? This is the bed. Edit it. Here I will make it required, always required. Okay, save it. If it is save it, see, that is required, then it's good. But at the same time, check the impact of the outpatient. In the outpatient also, bed is automatically coming, even though the bed is not added. See, bed is coming. Why? Mandatory fields always visible. If you are add or didn't add, if it's a mandatory, always visible. But why in the outpatient point of view, bed don't require? Inpatient point of view, bed is required, but it is a mandatory. So this is the conflict situation. Okay. In that case, first of all, outpatient don't require bed. So that's the reason I am removing the bed required field. Now, this is the outpatient. See, bed gone. Fine. Outpatient form is fine. But in the inpatient point of view, bed is there, but it is a optional. It is a optional. How to resolve the issue? So in that case, guys, here in the problem, within the problem, solution also there. What is the problem? I need in the inpatient phase, bed is mandatory, right? In the inpatient phase, not outpatient. That means phase level, I need to make it, it is a mandatory. Phase level. As of now, you are make it field is mandatory in the object field level. Go to bed, check the record checkbox. That means in the object level, within the object, within the field, you are make it mandatory. That is the first option. Second option is layout level. In this layout, I want to make it this the mandatory. We'll see, is there any option is there? Go to out inpatient. Where is the inpatient? This is the inpatient, right? Edit it. Now, see, where is the bed? This is the bed. Just go to settings. Here, see, bed read only required. Required is there. Layout level, I make it, it is a mandatory. Now, okay, set. So, I'm telling, if you remember, I think 4 to 5 days before, how to make it, but what is that? Field is mandatory. The first option is field level. Field level required checkbox. Now, what is the second option? See here, there is no bed. But here in the inpatient, in the page level, I make it, it is a mandatory. See? Mandatory. Understand? When to use page level record checkbox. in n number of pages are there, but some pages that field is mandated, some pages don't require. In that case, you can choose page layout level. Understood? Understood, guys? But all the pages I need mandatory, then field level. So I think this is not one, I think, right? Yeah. So the question was in the interview, how to make it field is mandatory. The first option is field level required checkbox. Field level required checkbox. Right? It is a field level. Second option is page level required checkbox. As of now, these are the two answers. But this answer, the complete answer will get end of the session. End of the session means end of the course. More options are there. That's the reason we are covered one by one. Okay. Now we are discussing page level. Then second answer is coming. But some more options are there. Whenever that situation happen, again I'm come to this answer. Understand? Now anybody asking how to make it field is mandatory. Very, very, very important interview question. Okay. One is field level required checkbox is there. Second one is page level record checkbox is there. When to use what? For example, I have a 5 record types, 5 pages. In all pages, field is mandatory. Then go to first option, object level field. But out of 5, some pages I need mandatory, some pages I don't require mandatory. Page layout level. Clear? Online people clear? But it is not complete answer. It is partial, 50% answer. Another 50% is there, but not now. After coding is completed, again come to here. Everybody clear online? Please ping me here. Okay? Yeah. Now, guys. Yeah. So page layouts and record types. There is some update is there. So that's the reason I'm modifying the content, guys. Today I will share that document. Okay. Yesterday I'm ready to share, but there is some problem. There is some reset update is there. So I'm modifying accordingly. So today I will share that screen. Okay, document. Now it's done. This is done. Okay. Now see, guys. Can you please guide me, guys? Here, for example, I am the reception guy. I am the reception guy. Here, is there any possibility to enter wrong data, any field? Name, name is wrong data. Okay. For example, date of birth. Date of birth, for example, this is the correct date of birth. Okay. She entered or he entered future. Is it possible? Instead of Vinay or you are entered Ramesh, it is possible. But this is impossible situation, right? He's maybe alien also, not right. He's a future. Okay, maybe he's alien, right? So this is impossible, right? That means maybe by mistake she or he entered like this. Nandu, contact number, blah blah blah, and the doctor name is, hospital name is. She is entered instead of 2030. Now what is the age? What is the age? Minus. Is it possible? No, right? But still system is allowing it. But as a human, you know it is wrong data. Minus 6 years. How it is possible, man? Minus 6 years. Right? So that means in that case, again you need to tell them system, hey system, whenever only this situation. Okay, whenever I am entering the date of birth must be valid means what? More than zero, na? Date of birth more than zero, na? Date of birth must be what is 24? Present year. That means present. That means today one guy is born. Is it possible? Right. But today date is possible. Past date is possible. Not future date. Right. So that means how to tell the system. Here runtime engine. Whenever anybody enter the date of birth, this date of birth must be what? Today or less than today. Past means less than, right? Today or less than today. Understand? So that means you need to tell them to the runtime engine, here runtime engine, whenever I click on save button, please check this field, this data. This data must be today or past date. Today is possible, born baby, right? That is our common sense. Born baby is possible today or less than today. If that condition is satisfied, then allow. Otherwise, display one error message. It is an invalid date of birth. Please change it. Then what is that? The receptionist understand, oh, I'm entering the wrong data. If you are not giving that instruction to the runtime engine, she or he entered the wrong data, right? So that means here in specific situations, you can, and what is that? Check the data, validate the data, whether the data is correct or not. So for example, date of birth. Any other, not this, general scenario. Any other example? Launching the rockets now. Any other situation, guys? Tell me. Any one situation in the generalized. Aadhaar number must be. How many digits? For example, I am entering Aadhaar digits. Aadhaar number is 4. 10 or 12. 12 digits. So Aadhaar number must be 12. Someone entered 9. So immediately you can tell the runtime engine. Hey runtime engine. What is that? Aadhaar number must be 12 digits. If it is not 12 digits, that means that guy is entered 13 or 11. Please give me the error. Hey, you are entered the wrong Aadhaar ID. Any other? PAN number. Any other? Mobile number. Any other? Any other? For example, simple guys. What is that? PIN number, right? So see, these are the different situations, guys. Here I am taking this example. In this example, I am whatever the find out the this is the problem. So in your case, so many. Understand? So find out the in this concept. So the what is that? You can tell that in this situation here runtime engine, please check this data birth must be what is that? Before if you click on save, don't save the record directly in the database. Okay, first check whether this data is correct or not. How? You can give the condition. What is the condition? Date of birth must be today or past date. Then only you can save it. Otherwise, display one error message. That is called, yeah, correct, Swati? Yeah, that is called. In that case, we need to learn one concept to validate the data. To validate the why we need to validate. This is the example. So in the fresher or 1 or 2 years, I am asking the same question. So why we need to validate that? The concept is called validation rules. We are using concept called validation rules. Validation rules. Validation checking rule. Rule means based on conditions. Validation means check based on rule. So why we are using validation rule? Why we are using validation rule? To store the valid data. to store the valid data. Can you tell me one example? All the people saying that definition, but example nobody will tell you. So we need to, that's the reason, problem with solution, solution with concept. Like that you can learn it. What is the problem? What is the problem? Date of birth always, not future. Date of birth always, whenever you are enter future, there is a problem. This is our problem. How to, what is that? Do this. What is the solution? To check with the help of condition. So that process is called, we need one concept. That concept is called validation. Understand? Reverse engineering, always learning in the reverse. Problem to solution, solution to concept. Understand? Not this is the concept, this is the definition, this is the example, this is the code. Not like that. Okay, guys? Yeah. What is that? Yeah, name should not have special characters. Yes, Reni, correct. So, what is the concept called? Validation rule. So, here, where to apply the validation rule? Date of birth. In which object? What is the object name? Patient. Again, go to patient schema. We are covered this. We are covered standard fields. We are covered custom fields and relationships. We covered layouts. We covered record types. Now, understand? Everything here it is there. Everything what we need to learn, everything. Don't require any concepts. Okay? Validation rule. Click on new. What is the validation rule? Date of birth validation. Right? Date of birth validation. Validation rule must be active. Okay? Must be active. Same like record type. Otherwise, it should not work. So, description. What is that? Validate the date of birth. So, DOB must be present or past. Date of birth must be present or past. Right? Now, same window, we are already saw that in the formula. Same window. That's the reason. See here, same window. Insert operator if you want advanced functions. So that's the reason there's nothing new. Understand? Same screen, same concept is same. But what is that? Approach is same, different concepts. So when to use which concept, that is our common sense. Understand? Now, which field you want to check? Date of birth. Insert field. Go to patient. Date of birth. Insert. Date of birth must be less than or equal to present means what is the function? Today. Insert operator. What is that? Less than or equal to? Less than or equal to. Today also possible. Less than or equal to present date. Present data means what is the function? Today. Done. So whenever you are applying the date of birth, it is checking date of birth less than or equal to today or not. Who is checking? Compiler. See, this code is checking compiler. I am entering comma. Code is checking compiler. Again, in the development, again, I will explain the memory management and everything. But as of now, I'm introducing that word. It is habituated in your learning. So what is that? Who will give this error? Compiler. Compiler work is where whatever code you have written, that is correct or not. Okay? Now, no errors found. So now, if it is coming, date of birth less than or equal to today. So, what is that? This message will appear, error condition formula is true. I want to apply some message. What is the message? Error message. What is that? Date of invalid or date of birth must be present or past. Okay? Please recheck. So this is the error message. Please read it. This message will appear when error condition is true. If it is a true, it is appeared. That means date of birth less than or equal to today. Correct date of birth or not? Yeah, that's what. So this message will appear when error condition is true. For example, date of birth is today. Today less than today. Correct. But this message is coming. Please, it is a reverse. This guy is Salesforce providing the reverse. What is that? Date of birth. See, when this message is coming, this message will appear when condition is true. This is true. True means what is the date of birth is today or less than. In that case, it is coming. Not like that. If it is a what is that? Reverse. Reverse means if date of birth today greater than, that means it is future, then this message is coming. Reverse. When this message will be appeared, if date of birth is future, then this message is coming. Okay, save it. Okay, date of birth greater than today, then this message is coming. If date of birth is greater than today, that means future date, then this message is coming. Okay, we'll see. 2030. What is coming? Error, invalid data, review all error message is the standard message. Now your message. Date of birth must be present or past. Please recheck. Understood? Please recheck. Then, oh, she or he realize, okay, date of birth is, what is that? Wrong. Oh, then she or he changing 2024 or 2023. Then check it. Then condition is false. Condition false means it should not come. Understand? So that means, please remember, that means this is our object form, layout form. This is our database. Whenever you are entered the data and click on the save button, then this data directly go to database and created as a record. This is the existing system, existing approach. But every time you are entered the, what is that, valid data, we don't know. If you want to first here runtime engine, whenever I click on it, this data you are saving to here. Okay, the respective object. But I don't know this data is correct or not. So some fields I want to check it. In that case, this layer is coming. What is the layer? Validation. Validation rules. So it is checking in the page level. In the page, if you click on it, the data will be going to validation rule. This validation rule checking in the page level. If everything good, then store the record. Otherwise, it is send the error message. If everything good, it is store the. So this layer we are introducing it. This is called validation rule. Understood? Everybody understood? It's very easy, guys. Okay, concepts are, that's what I told you. So concepts means if you are elaborated, it is one book is there. Okay, you can enter the concept. It will be taking more than 100 pages. Don't see the concepts. What we learn. So what is the problem? What is the solution? If you know this, course is over. Okay. Yeah. So same like that. Every time I'm taking this one, right? I'm taking another example. Forget about what is the object, blah, blah, blah. For example, there is a HDFC bank account, for example. HDFC bank account. Every HDFC bank account number is same digit, right? 12 digit, 12 was account number. Every account holder, number of characters of the HDFC, for example, what is that? For example, this is the account number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So HDFC in all over India, these people are maintain the same digits, right? So for example, whenever you are entered this data into the for net banking means this is the net banking. Okay, how many digits are there in HDFC? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all over India, wherever you go, all the account holder having the 8 or 7 or 8 digits. For example, that guy opened the HDFC net banking. See here. What is coming? Is coming blah 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 and read. What happened? Immediately in the page level, it is checking what is that customer ID or PIN invalid. Which concept these people are using? Validation rules. Understand? So these people are, this is the validation, guys. So here, guys, first of all, the number of characters are not wrong. It is wrong. Okay, so first the length is not correct. So immediately it is wrong, something it is displayed. So here, same concept we will apply here as well, guys. How? For example, I'm taking account. So I'm slowly go to standard objects as well. But I will explain all the standard objects in one go. There is a process. At the time, I will explain you. For example, account. Click on new. If you see here, account name, industry, annual revenue, account number. For example, this is the bank related account. What's the account holder name? For example, Ashok. Okay. Account number, blah blah blah. For example, this is the account number. So in the HDFC point of view, those people storing this data in their database. Okay. Whenever account number is generated, you need to add the validation. What is that? Account number must be how many digits? For example, 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the account number. 8 digits. If someone entered less than 8 or more than 8 digits, then you can send the, what is that? Error message. You can send the error message. What is that? Invalid account number, please recheck. Invalid account number, please recheck. In that case, again, what is the concept we can use it? Validation rule. How? What do you want? Go to account object. Please remember, this account object is, we are not created. Who created? Salesforce. Standard objects always it is coming in the left side section. Custom object like this, it is open like this. See, if you come to here, view fields, custom object, the entire options will be open in the page level like this. Standard objects, what is the object? Account, right? Go to setup. See, here it is opened. Account. See, fields, validation rules, page layouts, everything come under the left side. That is the first difference. Standard object related, go to object, it is opened. See, fields, relationships, and validation rule, and everything open here. Custom standard object point of view, see here. Account. Within the account, these are the options. So here you need to apply the validation rule. So where is the validation rule? Account, fields, blah 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 blah. Where is the validation rule, guys? This one. Validation rule. The way of options are not different. The position is different. But again, same validation rule. Click on new. Now you can tell me, guys, what is that? Account number validation. Account number validation. Description. What is that? Account number must be how many digits? 8 digits, for example. 8 digits. Now tell me, which field you want to select? Which field you want to check? Account number. Go to insert field. Account. Within the account number. See what is coming? API name. Account number. Why underscore C not coming? Standard field. It is a standard field. Account number. Now tell me. Account number equal to. Tell me. Equal to. Greater than or equal to. Whoever tells her that guy will be getting good. He's very, very good. He's a gem. Tell me, account number greater than or equal to 8? Is it correct?
Greater than 8, less than 8. Greater than 8, less than 8.
Greater than 8, less than 8?
Equal to 8. Account number greater than 8 or account number
Guys, please apply the brain, guys. Please apply the brain. All are in one go. Nobody will thinking in the different way.
Sir, what function use చేస్తాం?
Okay, less than or equal to less than.
Sir, less than what is greater than also?
Less than.
Greater than.
Correct?
Brackets use చేస్తాం.
Okay, correct. So now this is your condition. All the people same. All the people mindset is same. Now my account number is this. What is the account number? 66745623. Now greater than 8. Yes, correct. Now I am entering 23. Greater than 8. Correct. 23 is correct account number. Whatever you said, that is the condition. You miss one layer, very, very small layer. What is that? Number of digits, not value. We are checking. You guys are checking value, not checking the value. How many digits are there? Here, how many digits? 2. Here, how many digits? 8 digits. You want to find out the digits. How many digits are there in whatever you are under the number, not value. You are comparing here. That's the reason I'm taking this example. You are comparing value. If I'm entering 9 greater than 8, correct? Is it correct? Real time? No. That means you are checking value. Don't check the value. Whatever number you are entered, within the number, how many digits are there? For example, here I am entering 23. 23 means find digits of 23. How many? How many digits? 2. So then, what is the formula? 2 greater than 8. True or false? True or false? False. 2 greater than 8. 2 digits, 8 digits. Both are equal. No. Then send the error. So here, first whatever number you are entered, that number related how many digits you are entered. That digits I want to get it. You are entered 1000. How many digits? 4 digits. That 4 you can pass to here. That's the reason, guys. Technology is very easy, but way of understanding is our common sense, depending on our common sense. Everybody did the mistake, right? Everybody. I'm conducting one test, guys. Everybody, I didn't get the, even though I'm explaining, all the people writing same. 99.9999% people did the mistake. Recently, around like 1.5 months before, I'm conducting one exam at the time. I already explained, but nobody understand. Clear? That means first find out the how many digits are there. For that purpose, which digits? Account number digits. Go to function help. What is that? Here, what is that? Len. Len means return the number of characters in the text string. Number of characters. This is like 1000. How many characters are there? 4. So use that function. Len of, what is that? Account number. Length of account number. Length of account number means in the account number, what is the length? Okay. If the length is, now tell me, length must be greater than 8. Always 8 digits. That means 8. Not equal to. If not equal to 8. If it is a true, then display the error message. What is that? Length must be 8 characters, then valid. If it is not 8 characters, that means 7 or 9 or whatever it may be, then display the error message. What is the message? Account number must be, what is that? 8. Understood? Yeah. Now save it. What is the function we are using? Len. Len means length of your value. Okay, whatever it is. Now see, it is active. Go to account. Yeah. So now Ashok, I'm editing it. I don't want to create it. What is the length? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. Now runtime engine checking. Validation rule is there on top of account number. Then it is validating it. What is that? Account number must be 8 digits. Done. Understand? Understand, guys? Like that. Yeah, tell me.
Mandatory field, sir. For example, data.
That's the reason, guys.
Mandatory.
It is not mandatory, but we are checking the validation, right? Validation means must be data. See, we are checking the length means it must be data. The data must be 8. Obviously. Obviously అవుతుంది అంతే కదా. For example, that guy is not entered. What is the length? 0. So must be 8 digits. That means indirectly, that is the next concept. Indirectly, we are making this account number is mandatory. Indirectly, right? Without account number, we are unable to save it. But the only difference is there is no mandatory icon. There is no mandatory icon. But indirectly, we are making account number is mandatory. So how to make it account number is mandatory? One is field level, second one is page layout level, third one is through validation rules. This is the next answer. Understood? See, one by one concept, if it is eligible for this answer or not. Okay, through validation rule also we are making the field is mandatory. See, if you are not entered, we are getting you must enter, then only you must enter. That enter data also must be 8 digits. So that means indirectly we are making that field as mandatory. Understand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now validation rule. So through validation rule also we can make it field as mandatory. So as of now, that is standard behavior, man. Okay. Yeah. This is the one. Now guys, for example, one object is there. For example, this is the object. This is the object. Now, validation rule is fired. Why? Future date, we are getting the error. What is that? Date of birth must be present or past. Right? So, for example, here how many fields are there? 3, 4, 5, 6. For example, what is the total limit of the fields per object? 500. Please note down in the back of the page, guys. Okay, 500 fields. For example, in one of the situation, I am creating 200 fields in the object. 200 fields I am giving in the real time, guys. So many validations. In the 200 fields, I am writing 30 validations, 30 fields. Understand? That means all validation related issues are coming in the top. That means 30 errors are coming. For example, all are out of 200 fields, 30 validations. 30 validation fields are there. 30 wrong data. 30 wrong data means 30 messages are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Now, the user point of view, it is very difficult. Why? This error message belongs to which field? This error, okay, this is the date of birth. Out of 200 fields, where is the date of birth? Drag it and check it and validate. Again, come back to top. So, this is the very, very difficult. Out of 200 fields, which field is missing, which field is not missing, blah, blah, blah. In that case, what should I do? Whatever error message is coming, that message belongs to which field? Under that field, I display this error message. Understand? As of now, top of the page. Now, this message, I want to display here. Then easily recognize, okay, this, the wrong data. Why? Because we are getting this message bottom of the field. Then you can go to the field and change the content. That means place of the error message, I am changing to respective field. If this field is getting the issue, then I am displaying the error message on that field. Understand? So present, I am displaying the error message in the top of the page. Now I want to display the respective field. Understand? So how? Very easy. Where is that? Click on edit. Date of birth validation. See? Error location. What is that? Error location. What is the default? Top of the page. Now field. Which field? Date of birth. If you click on it, it is showing field. Which field? Date of birth. Done. So that means error message always display in the two areas. One is by default top of the page. If you want to configure respective field, choose the second option. Done. Save it. Now see the same error. We are configuring the field level. Some error messages are coming. See, error, date of birth must be present or past. This is your custom message. Now, user go to that field. Oh, this is the error. Okay, it is a present or past. Now he is changing to 2020. Like that, it is very easy to identify which data is wrong, which data is correct. Okay, there is no limitation for these guys. Okay, validation rules, there is a limitation. How do you understand? See here, go to here, limitations, come down, custom fields 500, we are already using 13. Custom relationships 43, we are already. See, validation. What is that? Active validation. For example, you are creating 1000 validation rules. Fine. But always in your respective system, always how many? 100 must be active. Sorry, 100 is active per object. Per object, not entire system. This is the object level limitation. This is the interview questions, guys. Those people are asking. Okay. So per object, you need to create 1000 validation rules. Fine, but always active 100. More than 100, not possible. Understand? Formula fields come under fields, man. Okay. So done. Validation rules done. Okay. But same concept again we are using multiple times. No need to worry about that. Okay. Now, for example, this is the account, right? My client is, we are already discussed, I think, in the starting. For example, go to Apollo Hospital. My client is saying that doctor, right? This doctor change the label to, or for example, this is the standard object. Who created? Salesforce. But my client is asking, hey Ashok, don't use account. I want to use HDFC bank account. What is that? HDFC bank accounts. So this is who created Salesforce. But still you need to change the label, not API names. Labels. Whenever you are creating the object, we have a label and object name and API name. If you want to change the labels, there is an option. I want, instead of accounts, I want what? HDFC accounts, for example. Then go to setup. What is that? Rename. What is that? Rename is an option. What is the option? Rename tabs and labels. Click on it. Which object you want to change? See here, all standard objects are coming. All standard objects. Okay. In the below, custom tabs also coming. Here see reset is there. But here reset is not there. Which object you want to modify? Account. Where is the account? This one. So see, tab name is accounts. Display name is accounts. Now you can change the display name. Edit it. See, tab accounts, singular label accounts, right? Account. Instead of account, what do you want? HDFC account. What is the tab name? HDFC accounts. Save it. Now the standard object label, tab label, you are changing it. Now go to account. That see, or go to here the sales application, HDFC accounts. HDFC accounts. But internally, very simple, guys. What is that? Our home is there. It is a 10 years old home. Now we are adding the paints, whatever colors you want. Home is there. It is a 10 years old home. Now we are adding the whatever design you want, whatever paint you want, you are added. So same like this is the existing object. The remaining things we are not changing it. Home is same, but adding whatever paint you want. Object is same. What is the object? Account object. You are changing the label. If you are changing here, see, if you click on new, HDFC account, again here, account owner, account name, account, blah, blah, blah is coming. So my requirement is wherever account is there, the client is saying that, hey, Ashok, you are changing the account to HDFC. That is good. But why again account name, blah, blah, blah. Change the wherever account is there, HDFC account. For example, HDFC account name, HDFC account holder name, HDFC account holder number, HDFC account holder site, blah, blah, blah. Change the labels as well. We are changing the labels, not API names. It is not possible. Again, go to same object, edit it. Wherever account is there, you can change the HDFC account holder. Next, this is the object. Now, fields are coming. All fields. See now, where is that? Account name. Instead of account name, I want see singular label, plural label. Account name. HDFC account holder name. Like that, you can change wherever you want. We are changing only labels, not API names. Please remember, API names not possible. Standard. Okay. Now account name. Account name. This is also account name. Next, account number. HDFC account holder. Number. Like that, you can change it. Whatever fields you want. Now see, save it. Only 2 fields I'm changing it. Now go to account. See, HDFC account holder name, HDFC account holder number, blah, blah, blah. Understand? That means if you want to customize standard objects, that means only labels, not API names. That option also available. What is the option? What is the option? Rename tabs and labels. We are rename tab and labels, not API names. API names not possible. Standard. Sorry, total. That is up to depend on object. We don't know. See, maybe we are unable to count it. Okay. Yeah. So, what is the option? Rename tabs and labels. So the standard objects also, if you want to customize based on the client requirement, the labels, that is possible with the help of, what is that? Rename tabs and labels. Okay. Next.
Account name or keywords label name master. API name or
Same account. That's the reason. API name will not change. Okay. Yeah. Now, okay, so I will reset it. Why? Because this object is very, very helpful for me. That's the reason. Again, if you don't require, go to rename, reset. That means the old labels are coming. If you want to reset, again, if you don't require the old names you want, see, accounts are coming. So there is a reset option is coming. Okay. So again, I'm resetting it. Now, guys, I'm introducing sales application now. Why? Because in future, we are working with the standard objects. Maximum in the real time, we are not creating directly custom objects, to be honest. Okay. Whatever existing objects are there, we are reuse that objects. Understand? If that standard object is not suitable for our application, then we are creating new. Otherwise, we are using standard objects. If you are using standard objects, how many objects are there? What is the purpose of that objects? Blah, blah, blah. We need to learn it. Okay. So in our syllabus, what is that? Sales application we will cover. What is meant by sales? What is meant by sales? It is a default application provided by the Salesforce. It is a default application provided by the Salesforce. We are not created, right? So very simple. Again, you can use your common sense. That's it. What is meant by sales? What is meant by sales, guys? Selling. Super. What is meant by sales means selling. Similar words you were telling that. What is the definition of sales? Tell me, don't require what is that definition also. How you know here sales is happened? How? Not like what is that billion sales? What is that Amazon offer sales? Not like that, man. Okay. How do you know in the particular situation sales is done? One sale is happened. See, here 2 persons are there, right? Persons are 2 organizations or whatever. One guy. That's the reason come to in the real time way. This is the person, heart of the entire Salesforce. Heart of the entire Salesforce, this concept. Why? Because whenever you are going to any company, 90% is all the people using this application. So in that case, directly jump to the objects and blah, blah, blah. First of all, you know How many objects are there? What is the object purpose? What is the relationship and everything? Okay, very, very important. So first one person or company is there. Okay. So these people, for example, in my case, Dell is a company. Okay. Dell manufacturing, what is that? So many, but laptops. Laptops. Okay. Different models. Forget about that. Finally, laptops. That means Dell is a, what is that? One company. These people are manufacturing laptops. Better example, Apple. Why I will tell you. I'm an Apple lover. So that's the reason. Okay. So Apple also manufacturing iWatches, iPod, and what is that? Right? So, for example, Apple MacBook. So many products. Okay. Apple company manufacturing MacBook. Okay. So understand the story first. Then automatically solution will be coming. Understand that Bahubali movie first to last. Okay. Then you can understand what is happening between that. Okay. So this company, Apple is a company manufacturing MacBook. Apple is a company manufacturing iPhone. What is the current version of the iPhone? 15, huh? 15 series, right? So Apple 15 series current manufacturing, guys. Okay. For example, Apple 16. These people, what is that? Apple people announcing Apple 16 will be launching soon within 3 to 4 months. Now, what is that? All the Apple lovers immediately book the Apple mobiles, right? Did you see the mobile? No, didn't see the mobile, but you are giving the advance money. How much it is? 50,000, 60,000, or 1 lakh, or 1.5 lakh, blah, blah, blah. It is not a small money. But first of all, as a customer point of view, Ashok is a person. Ashok don't know how the product was. What is the, so that means he didn't see. Ashok is a person. He didn't see the product. He didn't touch the product. He don't know how to do it, but he knows only what is the trust. First, Apple company trust. That is called brand, right? Levi's. It is a brand, right? Why we are paying more monies? If you go to Amirpet, right, in the roadside, we are getting 100 rupees per jean. If you go to Levi's showroom, the minimum jean is 6,000. 100 rupees and 6,000. What is the gap? More than 60 times. But why you are paying, what is that? 6,000 rupees instead of 100 rupees? Brand, right? Right? Both are fans. But we are not buying. If you have more money, you are going to Levi's showroom, right? So that means here brand, how the brand was, how the brand is existed. See guys, here Apple people, there is a track, the support and everything, the product, and there is a good name. And Apple 16, what is that? These people are not introducing, but still all the people, what is that? Purchase the Apple mobile. For example, recently XUV 700, right? XUV 700. If you want to buy the XUV 700, it will be taking more than 1 year, right? We are waiting for product. The company people are not waiting for money. That is the current situation, guys. All the people having more and more money, right? So that's the reason we are waiting for product. So it's not correct, but okay, anyhow. So these people are introducing Apple 16. But how this Ashok guy knows Apple 16 look like this? How? What meant by marketing? Advertisement. Good word is advertisement, right? First, Apple people, this product doesn't exist in the worldwide, but these people are first giving the advertisements. Giving the advertisement. What type of advertisements? So many. Tell me something. Social media. For example, if you watch the YouTube movie, suddenly one advertisement is coming, right? Insta and Facebook. This is the social media. Apart from that, what is that?
Paper media.
Paper, newspaper, giving the advertisement on the newspaper. Apart from that,
Theatrical ads.
again, hoardings. Whenever you are going to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, big hoardings are there, right? So that one. So like that, that means the company people reaching to the persons, right? How? Only the tool is advertisement. Advertisements are very powerful to sell their product. Even though the product is not existing, but still the product, how the product was, blah 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 blah. For example, 360 3D view. For example, what is that? Air view. What is that? Amazon, right? If you want to see the product, guys, for example, refrigerator, the refrigerator in your home, how it is fit for your home, then you can click on the air, then the product will be appeared in your room, right? Did you see that, right? So that is also one type of advertisement, guys. So the company people reaches to the customers with the help of advertisements. So the first term of the sales is starting from advertisements, right? Every company, depending on their what is that money or investment, these people are providing the advertisements, right? Maybe product may be there, may not be there. For example, Amazon products are already there, old products, right? These people are giving the big billion days, right? Product already exists, but in this situation, product not exists, but still these people are giving the advertisement. If product is there, giving the advertisements. If product is not there, right? It's a virtual product, giving the advertisements. But both the situations, what is that? To reach the customer, what is that? Through the advertisements. So the sales is starting from advertisement. Okay. So whenever Apple people, what is that? Sell their product in future product. For example, Apple 16. First, these people are providing the advertisements. What type of advertisements are there? Paper advertisement, TV advertisements. What is that?
Social media.
Social media, blah blah blah. Okay. And for example, what is that? If you go to Amirpet, right? These people, for example, these people conducting one what is that event? So you are walk on the road, right? Then the guy, sir, can you please come to me? Give me for like 5 minutes. I will explain my product. We have a lot of time, right? We are go and sit. That guy will explain you of 1 hour or 30 minutes. That guy know this guy don't have job, don't have money, but still that guy is what is that? Explain. You know what is that? We are not buying, but still we have so much of time, right? Everybody knows that is a different story. So what is it? That guy explained the product, everything good. Finally, he's asking one thing. What is that? Your details, right? You are giving your details, right? So first this advertisement, it is a event related. That is event. In this case, first these people are providing these type of, for example, so many channels are there, any channels, these people are giving the advertisement like this: paper advertisement, TV advertisement, social media, and events, conducting the seminars, events, something, right? So for this purpose, paper advertisement or TV advertisement or social media, if those people are giving the advertisement, first of all, these people are investing the money, right? If you give the paper advertisement, you need to give the money. Who will invest that? Apple people. Apple people give the some money. How much money? So in that case, how much money will pay for TV ads or for paper, for TV, for social media, for event? What is the money I want to invest? For example, this guy is for 3 months investing 1 crore paper advertisement. For this is also 3 months investing TV channels 5 crores and social media for 3 months. Again, social media is a little bit okay, 8 crores. Again, events for 1 month events. 1 month, it is like 4 crores. That means if these people are reaches to the customer, these people are, what is the channel? Advertisement. For advertisement, these people are certain what is the period of time, how much money I want to invest. How do you know? These 3 months I want to invest 1 crore. Okay, I'm investing it. What is the benefit for me? I'm investing, I'm ready to invest. Why? Because it is Apple. These people are ready to invest. What is the benefit? What is the benefit, guys? Sale directly. You are on the road. That guy is asking, is this event? You are, what is that? Attend that. That guy getting only your contact number. Apart from that, you are not selling, what is that? Buying that Apple phone or the TV, what is the TV or whatever it may be. So in that case, what is the benefit of Apple? Nothing. How? So here, guys, here, first of all, in this situation, in the internally, what is that? In the Geo, their friend, his name is, I don't know. One of the guy, he's also like, what is that? Oxford or something, I don't know. He is a business analyst, that guy. So financial advisor. These people are telling that, okay, we are giving the advertisement this period of time, we are investing this. If you are investing this, these many people, if it is reaching, that means contacts, it is reaching. For example, we are expecting here 1 crore I'm investing, I am getting 50 crores business. Here I am investing 5 crores, I'm expecting 150 crores business. Like that, these people are calculating that, the financial advisors. So I'm investing for paper for 3 months, 1 crore. I am getting the revenue sales 50 crores. Understand? This is the, what is that? Forecasting. So these all analysis, this all the data we need to maintain somewhere. For that purpose, in the Salesforce point of view, we need one object. That object is called, what is the object? For advertisements, you need to store the which advertisement, what is the time, how much you are investing, what is the business you want. This total information I want to store somewhere. That somewhere is called campaigns. What is that? Campaign. Advertisement, technical word. Business word is called campaigning. You had this word, right? Campaigning. So campaigning. Already Salesforce people provided already. Now open that. Yeah. What is that? What is the campaign name in our case? For example, what is that? A social media or paper advertisement. Create the record. Paper advertisement. Is it active? Active means it is still going on. Yes. What is the type? Webinar, trade show, public relationship, partner, referral program, banners, blah, 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 blah. If it is not there, other. What is the campaigning type? What is the advertisement type? Status. In progress. It's already running. When? From this month. This month means from 1 to 3 months. 3 months means Feb, March, April 30. This is the planning. 3 months. Within the 3 months, expected revenue in this campaign, I'm expecting, for example, 1 crore. I'm expecting 1 crore because of this campaigning. I'm expecting 1 crore sales, 1 crore revenue. Budget cost of in this campaign. How much budget you are added? 1 crore. 1 crore is too much. I'm expecting here for 10 crores. Then I am giving 50 lakhs, for example. I'm giving 50 lakhs. I'm investing 50 lakhs. I'm expecting 10 crores business. Understand? Now, actual cost, blah, 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 don't require. Save it. So whatever we discussed, all the data we are storing without create the object, we are storing one object. That object name is campaign. That means from now onwards, any business, those people want to, whatever the conducting the, what is that? Advertisements. You don't want to create the object. Object is there. What is the object name? Campaign. Within the campaign, what is the campaign name? Whether it is active or not, when to start, when to end, what is the revenue you are expecting for this campaign, how much budget you are spending for this campaign, and everything. Save it. Save it. The remaining fields are coming, leave it as of now. So we are saving it. Campaign is ready. Campaign is ready. Like that, you need to create all the TV, social media, event, blah, 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 and number of banner advertisements, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Now, campaign is ready. For example, it is not paper, it's the event better. Why I will tell you. It is a event. Event nothing but webinar, trade show, banner, direct email, other model marketing, public relationship, public relationship directly, right? You are going to so what is that? This in the what is the app? Apple sales. Okay, this app is Apple related sales. So these people are planning this. What is that? Events, event advertisement from 5th to April, 3 months. So these people are conducting so many events in the different cities. One of the cities is Amirpet, right? Why? Because so many people are available here. So you are roaming on the road, then the guy will be inviting. Okay, now you are sit together discussing after 1 hour or 1.5 hours because of up to your time, right? That guy will explain you my iPhone is blah 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 blah. Okay, everything done. Finally, he's asking, sir, can you please give me your contact details? We are giving name and contact. What is that? A mobile number, something like that. Okay, so now using this advertisement, actually so many interview questions are coming. Okay, please remember this. This is the one person. Person name is John, for example. This guy roaming on the road. Okay, first of all, he don't know what is the product. First of all, he didn't see that. Okay, he don't have any idea. He don't what is that? He is not having any interest as well. Okay, but because of this event, okay, these people are coordinating with each other. This guy will be inviting this guy, and this guy will be telling that every story, what about the product and everything. He's having already so much of time. Okay, then it's fine. Once it is done, this John is giving the details. What is that? My name is John. This is my mobile number. This is my, what is that? John@gmail.com. It's enough. This guy, life will be done here. Whenever you are giving this contact. Okay. So first, this is the one way. For example, this John already going to, for example, airport or something. Coding is there, the nice projection and everything. Now he's interacted. Okay, it's looking good. Now immediately with the toll-free number something, he's calling the customer care. Hey, can you please explain the product? That guy will be explained. Immediately, that guy will be capturing John information. Or you are getting the mails whenever you are open that your box, you are getting so many mails, right? So and so product. So again, you are replying it. So that means those people having the your data. Okay, here John is interested in the event. Whatever he said, this guy is listening. That means he don't have what about that idea, blah blah blah. But even though this guy interested that product, that's the reason he is sit and listening. So whoever interested in our product, the guy is called lead. Very important entry question. Lead means whoever interested in our product. Whoever interested, just interested. Understand? You are going to what is that? Amirpet market. Someone calling you and go to event. That means you are interested in that product. Okay, come. So you are going to airport. You saw the banner and call to them. That means you are showing the interest. Whoever showing the interest in our product, that guy is called lead. That guy is called lead. So whenever this guy is showing the interest, then these seminar people are these people taking this guy information, right? So this information, these people are storing in the lead object. Who were interacted in our product, who were showing the interest in our product, that guy is called lead. So immediately whatever these people are taking the all the details from the respective people nothing but leads. These people are storing their information in the lead object. That is called lead. Because of campaigning, lead is generated. Because of advertisement, someone showing the interest and give their details. That details these people are storing in the lead object. Understand? Here there is a two scenarios, guys. One is, for example, I am working in the Salesforce. Okay. Whenever I join the company, for example, I have Apple Mobile. I have Apple Mobile. So whenever I'm purchasing the Apple Mobile, I am the direct customer of the Apple. Okay, I have Apple Mobile. I'm purchasing it. Who is the customer? Ashok is the customer of the Apple. Second way, what is that? I am working in the Salesforce.com. Whenever I join Salesforce.com, these people giving the MacBook Pro, Apple Mobile, iPad. So who is purchasing Apple Mobile, Apple, what is that? MacBook Pro and iPad? Salesforce purchasing. Understand? So here, please remember this difference is very important. So in the first case, Ashok is purchasing the mobile. From whom? From the Apple. In that case, Ashok is a Apple point of view. Already purchasing customer. Whenever Ashok is joined one company that is called, for example, Salesforce.com. In that case, these people are giving, what is that? The Salesforce people giving to Ashok. What? For example, phone or laptop, for example, laptop. In this case, this Apple laptop, Apple point of view, who is the customer? Salesforce, not Ashok. Salesforce is a customer of Apple. That means here Ashok is a customer, here Salesforce is a customer. Ashok and Salesforce both are same. Ashok is a person, Salesforce is a, for example, you are joined in the IBM. Those people giving the laptop, for example, Mac. So who will purchase the laptop? IBM. In that case, IBM is a customer of the Apple. Understand? That means one company point of view, two types of customers are there. One is, what is that? This guy. Person. Direct customer. Indirect customer. What is indirect customer? It is a company. It is a company or organization. For example, every, what is the Diwali? One Gujarat, that diamond company, right? Those people giving the Audi cars to the their employees, like 10 or 20 employees. That means, so here employee is not customer of BMW. That what is that? The diamond jewelry company is, what is that? Customer of the BMW. Understand? So now every company, two types of customers are there. One is direct customer, one is company is a customer. Now this customer data, that means Salesforce want to give the laptops to their employees. Which laptops? These people are go to Dell. These people are go to HP. These people are go to Apple. Blah blah blah. So in that case, Salesforce is a showing the interest. Salesforce lead of the Dell. Salesforce lead of the Apple. Salesforce lead of the, what is it? HP. Why? These people are showing the interest of the different laptops companies. Showing the interest. In that case, Salesforce is a leader. These people are not purchasing. Salesforce, for example, Salesforce ready to give the some 1,000 laptops to their employees. Now these people are thinking which laptops we need to purchase. So okay, we'll go to some different vendors. First vendor is Dell. HP, and Apple. So Salesforce is talk to these three people, three organization people. In that case, Dell point of view, Salesforce is a lead. HP point of view, Salesforce is a lead. Apple point of view, Salesforce is a lead. Immediately, these three people store the Salesforce information in the lead object. So now tell me, lead holding which data?
Customers.
Customer data, company data as well, right? Why? Customer may be person, customer may be showing the interest, may be company showing the interest, may be person. So that is the reason lead holding, what is that? Person data, company data. See, if you click on new, now you can see lead owner, first name belongs to person or company?
Person.
Person. Last name, person, company, company information, title, company information, lead source, leave it, camp leave it, industry, industry, company information or person information? Company, which industry it is, health industry or IT industry or food industry, blah blah blah. Annual revenue, company or person? Company. Annual revenue not related to person. Okay, understand? Annual revenue. Phone, company or person? Phone. If you are, for example, you are getting the offer letter, you want to talk to your HR, you need to call the company. That guy giving the mobile number or phone number. Any website, if you go to any website, those people giving the mobile number or phone number. That is the observation, guys. Why the people are giving the phone number? Phone number related to company. Understand? Not person. So phone is related to company. Mobile,
Person.
person. Fax, company. Email, email. Person. Company don't have email. Within that company, every person mail ID is there. So email is nothing but person. Website is nothing but company. Rating. Rating means, what is that? Company rating. It is a good company, bad company, worst company, blah blah blah. Number of employees, company. So if you see this address, which address? Your address and company address. Product, blah blah, leave it. That means here, what is that? Lead holding two type of informations. Maybe company, maybe person, right? So tomorrow we'll discuss the remaining part. Okay? Any questions, anybody? Any questions, guys? Guys, if you know that this end to end, every object you can understand. Okay? We are going one by one as a story, not like direct object and example, not like that. What is the purpose? Why we are using this object? If you know this, very, very, very helpful in your entire future, guys. Okay? Yeah. Any questions, guys? Anybody? Please ping me. Or anybody talk to me. Please ping me. Hello.
Product గురించి డీటెయిల్స్ కూడా లీడ్ లో
ఇంకా ఉంది, మనం కొనలేదు, ఇంకా జస్ట్ నువ్వు ఇంట్రెస్ట్. ఓకేనా? నువ్వు అమీర్పేట మార్కెట్ లో వెళ్తున్నావు, ఒకడు పిలిచాడు, వాడి దగ్గర కూర్చున్నావు, నీ డీటెయిల్స్ ఇచ్చావు. సో అంతవరకే మనం మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. ద నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్, నువ్వు కొన్నావా కొనలేదా, కొంటే ఏమవుతుంది, కొనకపోతే ఏమవుతుంది, ఇదంతా నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్. ఓకే? యా నీలిమా, టెల్ మీ లీడ్. యా టెల్ మీ, వాట్ ఇస్ మీన్ బై లీడ్? వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్? ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్, గైస్? సారీ, శానిటేషన్ ఎక్కడ ఉందండి? ఇదా మిస్టర్ ఆర్ మిస్సెస్? Salutation. Salutation means what is a Mr. or Mrs. or what is that, a doctor or professor, the prefix. Okay? The name telida idi? Mr. or Mrs. or that name is called salutation. SALUTTION. TATION. Nothing, sir. So lead can be both company or person. Yes, last half an hour, 45 minutes I'm telling same. The simple is lead holding person information or company information or both the information. How? I will tell you. Okay? Related to company, then what we will feel? We'll tell you, Srini. Okay? We'll tell you. Wait. Don't ask the future questions. The entire flow is done, then you can understand, then tell me. Okay, as of now, we are just capturing the lead information. We'll see. Thank you, guys. I have other work. We'll see you tomorrow.